see him.
Adrian, be careful.
Where is Amelia?
Hey, Sawyer.
Glad you got your friend there. See ya.
What are you doing there, buddy?
We're putting a balloon on a funnel
Why?
because so we can put baking soda in it.
That's right. That's right. So let's make sure that this is all soup. Oops. Let's try
We
it.
only have one, so work with us.
Let's try that. This balloon turned inside out.
Mom broke it.
Here, ready? You want to try again?
Yeah.
Here, I'll hold the funnel and you put the balloon on.
Now pour baking soda in.
You want to put, oh,
Well,
careful.
that's teamwork.
Okay, good. Then you can just roll it. Oh, I did it again. Here, help me. Grab the side. Ready? Good.
I'm gonna hold this.
Yeah, you're doing a good job.
So you don't pull it off.
Okay, so see how that's on there?
Yeah.
Now you hold your funnel, okay? Here, Amelia, do you want to
the
put...
baking
Sure,
soda.
I'm gonna hold the
Let's
funnel,
go.
guys.
I'll put the baking soda.
Let me hold the funnel, and then you put your baking soda in, and then we do the same for you.
Okay.
Ready?
Smell it.
Here you
Pour
go.
that thing. Ah!
Is that enough?
Ah!
Is
That's
that
good, buddy.
Let's see.
Is that too much? Is that too much?
We'll find out, won't we?
Let go. Let go.
Okay, let's see. Let's put this one off to the side. Oh, gosh.
Okay.
All right, Amelia, it's your
Here,
turn.
hold it. Don't spill it, okay?
Get it on there.
Go, Amelia.
Look, I'll feel it.
Yeah.
What's it feel like?
Oh, womp.
It feels so good.
Womp.
It feels like you put water here.
Kind of squishy.
It feels so
Here,
gross.
make sure she doesn't poke a hole in it.
There you go.
There you go.
All right,
hold on,
hold
wait.
on.
Look,
Hold
I
on.
can see the meat.
Your turn.
Here you go, Amelia.
Oh, stop. What are you doing?
No, it doesn't.
Pour that thing, girl.
That's what's
Pour that thing, girl. Pour it, girl.
Stop.
All right, that's good.
That's good.
That's good.
A
Wait, a little bit more. A little bit more.
That's a little bit. That's a little bit.
Adrian got a lot in there. It's gonna his is going to explode.
No, it's not.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
I can pour some of it
A little bit
out.
more. A little bit more. Just one shake. Shake, shake, shake. A little bit more. That's not enough. Yee. Wait, let me take it out.
She has more than me. Is that enough?
That's probably way too...
Adrian, you have a ton.
Yeah, Adrian, you have so much.
We're pouring some of it out.
All right.
I got this balloon that's so scary. Oh, that's fake.
What are you pouring?
Vinegar. You want to smell it?
That smells
Ugh.
like ranch. Oh, it smells so good.
It smells like
good.
feet. All right, guys, let's watch and see.
Oh, I got that spilled.
Let's see if that's enough. We're not measuring, so we're just winging this.
You can tell this is too much with the balloons, right, Mom?
What was your
You can
question?
You can tell how much is in the balloon.
How much what? Baking soda?
Yeah.
All
Because,
right.
like, if there's too much, you
Okay,
can
I'm
tell.
going to put this off to the side, and then we will get started with trying to blow up our balloon.
Guys, 40 Life Mom, she is Miss
Okay.
Bellum from Powerpuff Girls. Go check her out.
Yeah, right.
Where's her face?
Wait, don't do that.
It's not spilled.
They can't see my face. All right, so how you're going to... Listen, Tootie. Hey, how you're going to do this, I need you to spread this open like this, and we're going to put it over the top, okay? Here,
What do
come
you
back
get
here.
over there, man?
Oh.
I might pop this. I might break this if I do that on mine.
But don't pour it in yet, okay?
Can you help me?
Sure. Here, you hold the bottle and I'll do the top. You hold the bottle. Hold the bottle. The bottle. Okay? Don't do it yet, okay?
Yeah, thank you.
Help
for
her
the
out.
lines.
Will you hold the bottle
Help
for
her
me?
out, Amelia.
The bottle?
Yeah, hold it. Oh, my hands smell it. My hands
Oh,
smell
gosh.
it. What? Mom, my hands smell it.
Okay, listen. In just a second, you guys are going to take the tops of, take the tops of your balloons, and you're going to try and shake all the baking soda into your water bottles.
All right,
okay?
guys, let's do a countdown.
Do it.
10,
Oh,
9,
8,
7,
6,
5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
dump it in.
Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Dump it.
Oh my goodness. Oh, it's gonna, you think it's gonna pop? Oh,
Get in the camera, guys. Cover your eyes. Cover your eyes.
Get on the
This is your show.
I'm scared. Look at yours. It's blowing.
You still have some baking soda in there, look.
Dude, this is so cool. Dude.
What do you think about that?
It's cool. Yeah.
What else is in there?
I can smell it. It stinks. I mean, it's not even glowing.
Did you think that it was gonna blow up like that?
Yeah.
You did.
I thought I was going to explode.
Explode?
Yeah.
Did you know that vinegar...
Why guys over here?
Listen, did you know that vinegar and baking soda together make carbon dioxide?
Yeah, I
and
know
that's
that.
the gas that blows up your balloon?
What's carbon dioxide?
I don't know.
Do we produce carbon dioxide?
No.
Yes, we do. How? When we breathe out and when we do what else?
Oh, fine.
Ew. Nah.
What do you
Man, look at your hands. It's gonna... Look at your hands. Oh, my gosh.
I mean, it's not even blowing up.
All right, guys. Do you
'Cause
want to
she didn't
say
have
thank
that
you?
much in there.
You say thank you to AD Squad for doing an experiment
Thank
with
you,
you?
AD Squad. Thank you, like this channel, like and subscribe.
Like and
Like
subscribe.
this button or this button.
Well, sure. We haven't set that up yet, but sure.
Say until next time.
Until next time. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
The balloon can wiggle.
Happens if we pop it. Let's see.
Yeah.
All right. Don't play with knives.
Yeah, don't play with knives.
Don't play with knives. Ready?
That's
Ready? 3,
2, 1. Confetti!
Watch the knife. Was that cool?
Yeah, let me do another one.
Another one.
Yeah, let's do this big thing.
I thought y'all wanted to keep those.
They're gonna be gone.
No! Adrian, look!
Everybody watch out from the
Ready?
knife.
Watch for the knife. Ready? 3, 2.
It's a celebration.
Do that one, okay?
Okay, all done.
All done.